Madam Speaker, a police force is critical to maintain law and order and safety of all Fijians, and government has been continuously investing in our police. The Fiji Police Force has a budget of $148.8 million, an increase of $17 million. We are allocating additional funds to equip the force with radio systems and forensics equipment. Also, Madam Speaker, as previously announced, we will give the police force new motor vehicles, 230 automobiles of different types, and 150 new motorcycles, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, mobility is essential for police force to protect citizens, control traffic, and respond quickly to crimes, threats, calls for assistance, and natural disasters. These vehicles will provide that mobility, Madam Speaker. To be effective, Madam Speaker, a professional police force also needs to maintain high standards of behavior and adherence to procedure. The public needs to understand that the people who enforce the law will be subject to the law also. Therefore, government is providing funding to strengthen the capacity of the Fiji Police Force to conduct more internal investigations and a lot more professionally. $150,000 has been allocated for this function. Madam Speaker, job evaluation exercises were carried out for the correction services, the Fiji military forces, and the Fiji Police Force. But the changes have not been implemented yet for the Fiji Police Force. The RFMF and the Fiji Correction Services had the JEE fully implemented. The evaluation for the police force, Madam Speaker, will now be fully implemented from 1st of August 2017, and the salaries of all the disciplined forces will now then be aligned. The Fiji Police Force will have an overall increase in salaries. $15.5 million is allocated for this, Madam Speaker. The base salary increases will range from 11.5% to 20.5%, Madam Speaker.